Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I am testing the new pearl pigments from Padico, and I've been eyeing these for quite a while actually. They're not really new, they've been out for quite a long time, but I've finally gotten around to purchasing them. They were a little expensive. I want to say they were almost 600 yen each, maybe more like 500, but anyway, somewhere around the $5–6 line, and the bottles are a little bit smaller than the translucent pigments, and I don't know, it just seemed a little bit steep, but I had been seeing the color samples for them, and as you can see here, they are beautiful. They're very vibrant, kind of jewel tones, they're deep colors, and I love blues and purples, so I gave in, I got them, and what I'm doing here is just swatching each color, and then I'm going to make some charms with them. I'm not really going to explain the steps because it's what I do in all of my videos, so if you need a tutorial, I'm going to point you to some of those down below. But anyway, as far as the pigment goes, the colors are absolutely stunning. I'll say that 10 times. But I did feel like maybe it wasn't quite worth what I paid for it, and I say that because they work pretty much the same as powder pigments, and you're gonna see that I use a white Pearl X white pigment later on in the video, and you really can't see a difference. Like, it blends about the same, and I don't know, the bottle's a lot smaller than the translucent pigments, which, you know, I always say last forever because you only use 1 or 2 drops. With these, I felt like I had to give it a good squeeze and use quite a bit of pigment. I'm looking at the bottle now, and I've already gone through, I want to say like 1/4 of the bottle. So unless you feel like you absolutely need this color, I would stick with powder pigments, honestly. I mean, if you have a little extra money to spend and you like the convenience of being able to just squeeze some pigment out of a bottle, which I will be honest, I do enjoy. The powder pigments do tend to make a mess. So that is a plus point for the Padico pigment here, but other than that, I don't know, it just felt really expensive for what I got. But again, look how beautiful they are. So I'm kind of torn, like I can't say I will never buy these again once I run out because I genuinely like this color. One thing I do want to do is go through the pigments that I own and see if I can match the color, because in that case, I'd be like, hey, maybe you guys should try this powder pigment instead because you can get more for less and it lasts longer, etc, etc. You can see here as I mix it, it blends very nicely and it looks fine. And I don't have any issue with the pigment itself, more just kind of the price point and what you get for the price. As someone who uses a lot of resin and a lot of pigment, I do like it to last as long as possible. And I feel like other people, especially people who sell their charms, want to make the best items for as, you know, cheaply as possible. Here's the white pigment that I was talking about. This is Pearl X powder, and as you can see, it's not like it's not blended as well, like you can tell a difference. Because in the end, I think the Padico pigments are probably, you know, powder pigments that are blended with, I don't know, an oil of some sort. I don't know what the liquid actually is, but in the end I will continue using these pigments because they're convenient, and when they run out I will see what I want to do. But if I can't match the colors, I probably would repurchase. Anyway, let me know what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!